creating unique, consistent characters for your stories, games, or content without spending a dime. In this video, I'll show you how to unlock the power of a free AI image generator to bring unlimited characters to life, all while maintaining a consistent style. Today, I'll show you how to create consistent characters using Piclumen AI. Let's get started. This is the Piclumen AI homepage, and you can find the link in the description below. Piclumen AI is a free tool for generating AI images. You can use it to create concept art, character designs, logos, fashion designs, product images, architectural visuals, book illustrations, game assets, indoor designs, posters, flyers, and even designs for e-commerce. That's not all. Piclumen AI also offers several photo editing features. You can remove backgrounds, enhance image quality, colorize black and white photos, and much more. To begin using Piclumen AI, simply click the Generate for Free button on the homepage. From here, you'll need to create an account using your email or log in quickly with your Google or Apple account. Once you log in, you will see this interface. These are images created by the Piclumen AI community. You can browse through them to get inspiration for your own designs. To start creating, click the Create button here. This will take you to the Piclumen AI image generator. On this page, you can also view some of the images I've generated before. This is the prompt box, where we type the description of the image we want to create. For example, I'll enter 29-year-old woman, Arabic, green eyes, long wavy brown and silver hair, big smile, portrait image, hyper-realistic, 8000 resolution, Ultra HD. If you need to translate your prompt into another language, you can use the auto-translate option here. If your prompt is not very detailed or needs improvement, you can enhance it using this feature. Once your prompt is ready, click the Generate button to create the image. It will produce highly realistic results, like this. You can also adjust the settings for more personalized and customized images. Here, the first thing you will see is the image generation model. The default model is Piclumen Realistic V2, which is great for creating realistic images. If you want to explore other options, simply click on the model, and you'll see a variety of choices tailored for different styles. For instance, the Piclumen Art V1 model is ideal for generating aesthetic and detailed images, while Anime V2 specializes in anime-style characters and scenes with a 2D flat design. If you're looking for black and white line art, the Line Art V1 model is perfect for stable and precise drafts. Additionally, the Pony Diffusion V6 model is excellent for creating anthro, feral, and humanoid species. You'll also find the Flux 1 model, which allows you to generate Flux Pro images. The best part, it's completely free to use. Each of these models offers unique features to help you create the exact type of image you need. Let's start by generating images with the Flux 1 model. After selecting this model, move to the aspect ratio settings where you can pick your preferred ratio. All popular aspect ratios are available, so you can easily choose the one that fits your needs. Next, decide how many images you want to generate. Currently, you can create up to 4 images at a time. In the prompt box, you'll also see an option to upload images for an image-to-image generation feature. We'll explore this option later. For now, let's proceed by clicking the Generate button to create the images. Since the generation process takes some time, we'll fast forward this part for now. Here are the newly generated images. From my experience, I find that the Piclumen Realistic V2 model produces some of the best results alongside the Flux 1 shell model. For this reason, I'll continue using the Piclumen Realistic V2 model for the next generations. Using this method, you can generate any kind of image with Piclumen AI, completely free of charge. But now, let's address the main question: how can we create consistent character images? This is where the image-to-image generation feature comes in handy. First, download the character image if you don't already have one. If you do, you can skip this step. I'll be uploading my own image from my device. To start, click on the image icon here. To begin, upload the character image by clicking the designated option. Once the image is uploaded, select it to proceed. Next, choose the image reference type. There are 3 options available: content reference, which creates an image similar to the reference; image style reference, which generates an image in a style resembling the reference; and character reference, which is used to create images of a similar character. For this task, we will use the character reference feature. After selecting the reference type, adjust the strength setting. Sliding it to the left allows for more creative variation, while sliding it to the right ensures the result closely matches the original character. For this example, I will keep the slider slightly to the right for better character consistency. Now, it's time to enter the prompt. For instance, I am typing, "A beautiful girl sitting in a college." This is a straightforward and simple prompt. Let's see the results Piclumen generates based on these settings. Once everything is set, hit the Generate button, and here are the results. You can see that it has created 4 incredible images. All the images feature a face that closely resembles our reference character. From facial features to hair color, and even the eyes, the results are impressively similar to the original character. It's truly remarkable how precise it is. Using this method, you can create an unlimited number of consistent character images. All you need to do is modify the character's appearance and adjust the environment in your prompts. For example, let's try a new prompt where the character is in a lively street market illuminated by midnight lights. Now, to maintain consistency, we need to set the character reference again. Simply click here to proceed. To proceed, you'll find the previously uploaded image in the image selection area. Select the image and use it as the character reference. Click the Generate button, and here are the results. The generated images are stunning with incredible detail and quality. The results truly stand out, and I'm impressed by how well they turned out. Let's try another example. This time, I'll enter a prompt that says, "Our model is sitting on a swing in a serene garden surrounded by blooming roses and lush greenery." After entering the prompt, as before, select the character reference option to maintain consistency and then hit the Generate button. Once again, the results are amazing. Piclumen has done an outstanding job, and I'm genuinely amazed by the quality and precision of these images. Although the tool is completely free, it delivers exceptional results. If you encounter any issues or need adjustments, you can use the AI Image Edit feature to refine your images. Simply select the image, and you'll see various editing options at the bottom of the page. If you want to create a similar image, use the Remix option. The tool will automatically place the existing prompt into the prompt box, and you only need to click the Generate button to create new images. If you need to remove the background, click on the Remove BG option. After a short wait, you'll get a clean result without the background. Another great feature is the ability to upscale images. Select the Upscale option and set the enlargement factor and redraw strength according to your preference. Once you've made your selections, click the Done button, and Piclumen will upscale your image in just a few seconds. These features make it easy to fine-tune your images and achieve professional quality results. That's not all. If you click on the More button, you'll find even more tools to explore. The first option allows you to create variations of any image. You can choose between 2 levels of change: subtle, which makes minor adjustments, and strong, which introduces more significant differences. Once you select your preference and click the Submit button, the tool will generate a result based on your choice, as seen here. Another highly valuable feature is the In-Paint option. This allows you to customize specific parts of an image. To use this feature, simply select the area you want to modify with the brush tool, then describe your desired changes in the prompt box. After that, hit the Submit button, and the Piclumen AI image generator will create a new version of the image with your requested changes. For instance, if you mention a bottle along with your brand name, the generated image will include the bottle featuring your branding. This feature makes it incredibly easy to personalize and refine your images. Another powerful feature of Piclumen AI is the ability to colorize black and white images. With just a few clicks, you can bring life to old or grayscale photos. Additionally, you can expand an image using the Expand option. On this page, you can adjust the size and position of the image before hitting the Generate button. Once done, the expanded image will be ready, showcasing the seamless enhancement. Isn't that an amazing feature? Whether it's generating any type of image, creating consistent character images, or editing images with the AI image editor, Piclumen AI stands out as an exceptional tool. The best part, it's completely free to use. Don't miss the chance to try it for yourself. The website link and prompt link are provided in the description for your convenience. I hope you found this method helpful. If you did, don't forget to give the video a like. Also, in my analysis of Learnify AI, I noticed that 90% of viewers haven't subscribed to the channel yet. If you found this video valuable, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future content. Your support means a lot and helps the channel grow. If you're curious about faceless channel ideas that made me $533,000 in 3 months, click on the video on the left. Or, if you're ready to explore Templar AI, the first image-to-music song generator Suno AI alternative, click on the video on the right. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Happy Learnify AI. Goodbye.